Hey y'all, Dominoes son back on Facebook Live. Okay, almost slipping. Okay, so I finished cooking the spaghetti tacos. Okay, if y'all watched it on YouTube and stuff like that. Okay, all right. So ate me some spaghetti tacos, and now I'm about to fix me some. I'm gonna eat some spaghetti tacos here on Facebook Live. But this is going on YouTube too. Okay, got this, and let me show y'all something. Okay, look at all that spaghetti. I put taco seasoning and ragu. You see, ragu. Okay. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use that. Okay. Okay. So it may sound silly if y'all never watch iCarly, then it's silly to you. So if you watched iCarly, then it's not silly to you. Okay. All right. So here we go. All right. All right. Yep. All right. I know it don't make sense to y'all, you know. So let's take a look. Yep, spaghetti tacos. Okay. So I already ate some on YouTube already. So I'm gonna eat some on Facebook Live. Okay. So here we go. All right. Here we go. All right. Mm, mm. Mm. I made a mess of this. Mm. It don't taste that much like taco. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna use a fork for the fork of spaghetti. Mm-hmm. Mm, mm. Mm-hmm. Mm, mm. This is so delicious. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. It don't make sense to y'all, but it makes sense to me. To wash my hands. All right. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this, and I hope y'all enjoyed what the heck I did. Okay. All right.